Hello everyone, welcome back to Motion Mix 350. In today's video, you are going to learn how to create this milk splash effect on your phone. After you've opened Canva, go to Poster and create a blank poster. Now go to Upload and upload your image onto your canvas. You can look for the image on Google by typing milk carton. Reposition and increase the size of your image. Now let's give our canvas some color. In the toolbar, go to color and then choose a blue color. Now let's go back to elements and in the search bar type milk splash and go to graphics. Scroll down to the 12th row and choose the image on your left hand side. Put your image onto your canvas. Resize your image and send your image to the back of the carton. Now we are going to duplicate our milk splash. Now that we've duplicated our milk splash, we are now going to crop our image. Remember to also crop it from the sides so that you end up with something like this. Now it's time for us to animate our milk carton. In the toolbar, go to Animate and then scroll down to Drift. Choose the Drift Animation effect and choose the direction of our animation. For this project, we are going to choose the upward direction, and then you can lower the intensity of your animation as well, or you can increase it depending on how you want your animation. And this is our final project. If you found value in today's video, like, comment, subscribe. Until we see each other in the next one, peace.